When comparing the Range Rover and the Land Cruiser, both vehicles stand out as icons of luxury and durability. The Range Rover impresses with its refined design, advanced technology, and a focus on comfort, making it a top choice for those who value elegance and innovation. Meanwhile, the Land Cruiser is renowned for its legendary reliability, rugged off-road capabilities, and long-lasting performance, appealing to drivers seeking adventure and dependability in the toughest conditions. When it comes to choosing between these two legends, the decision often depends on your personal priorities. If you value a refined interior, seamless connectivity, and the latest in driving aids, the Range Rover stands out as a statement of modern luxury. Meanwhile, the Land Cruiser is the go-to for those who demand toughness, longevity, and a legacy of conquering even the harshest environments. Both vehicles represent the pinnacle of their categories, blending heritage with innovation. Ultimately, whether you gravitate toward the Range Rover or the Land Cruiser, both vehicles offer a unique blend of performance and prestige. The Range Rover stands out in urban settings, delivering a plush ride and an array of luxurious amenities, perfect for drivers who appreciate sophistication and comfort in every journey. Meanwhile, the Land Cruiser's robust engineering and legendary dependability make it a trusted companion for expeditions where reliability and resilience are non-negotiable. Your choice reflects your lifestyle and priorities. When considering long-term ownership, maintenance and resale value become crucial factors. The Land Cruiser's reputation for durability often translates into lower maintenance costs and impressive resale value, especially in regions where reliability is paramount. Meanwhile, the Range Rover, with its sophisticated engineering and premium materials, may require more attentive upkeep, but rewards owners with cutting-edge features and a prestigious presence on the road. Ultimately, both models represent the pinnacle of their respective philosophies, ensuring satisfaction for discerning drivers.